Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce you our group project. The topic of the project is From Trajectories to Semantics, Multidimensional Spatial Temporal Analysis of Individual Trajectory with AI Behavioral Profiling. In the era of smart cities, GPS and other trajectory data have become the most authentic and continuous records of human activities. Unlike surveys, they reflect real mobility behaviors with high accuracy and broad coverage, enabling us to uncover individual travel patterns, activity hubs, and spatial temporal behaviors. As trajectory data are increasingly used in transportation, business, and public governance, a key challenge is extracting interpretable behavioral information from massive datasets. Using the GeoLife dataset, we develop a multi-dimensional spatial temporal analysis and behavioral profiling framework, enhanced with an AI agent that generates natural language interpretations to make complex trajectory data more readable and to support data-driven urban planning and decision-making. Here is the technical workflow of the project. The entire framework is divided into two major parts, the analysis layer and the visualization layer. In brief, we first use the GeoLife pipeline to extract spatial temporal features. Then the geocoding module enriches the state points with POI names through reverse geocoding. Next, the word cloud module summarizes the main types of state points and generates word frequency data. Finally, the AI semantic analysis module uses an existing large language model to deeply interpret the extracted spatial temporal features and POI information, producing natural language explanations of the trajectories. All outputs are then passed into the visualization layer, where they are integrated into a single interactive web-based dashboard. This allows users to explore an individual's mobility patterns, activity distribution, and AI-generated semantic insights all in one place. Ideally, if you have your own trajectory data, you can simply throw it into our code to obtain a personalized trajectory report.
The first user in the dataset, here referred to as user 000, is selected for the demonstration. The first line on the top of the dashboard is an extracted spatial temporal matrix, which gives an overview of the trajectory features of the user, and also for providing basic information for AI analysis. The blue bar chart shows the spatial temporal travel patterns. Then we move on to the state point features. The orange bar chart of state points types and visit frequencies shows that this user primarily stays near locations related to science, education, and culture. The word cloud indicates that the user's most frequent stay point is Jinghang University, indicates this user have a clear academic and research-oriented lifestyle. Based on the results from the preceding analytic layers, the AI conducted an in-depth interpretation which demonstrated the system's capacity to detect non-intuitive behavioral structures. And at last, an interactive web page map was generated that visually reviews a person's activity range and spatial movement pattern. Using personal trajectory data, we enable the transformation from raw point data to human-readable semantic data and incorporate various visualization to interpret single person's trajectory characteristics.